Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangmaha ke Kendai Trip Lebiar Arhajar Arpuar, Ula Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka jeng Jelan ke Benta Kesenam Arhajar Arpuar Arhajar Arpulai, Kaba ke Jengnuna Pisa Kelong Syahajar Praspa Sop Kendai Klur Tyngka, Kabalong Kumbasau Poin San Nakasispa Jangka Gross State Domestic Product GSDP. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ubabat ru ya ketenat Platengka Kejelah habawan ra ke Mang Tyngka jeng Senem la antat ba ke jing ulum khajna barok kanlong khat prahajar nyos pa klur Tyngka ya kebal antat ban yo ya ke revenue receipt kaba khat ndro hajar lai pesan klur Tyngka bat ka capital receipt kaba hajar ndrus pa pesan klur Tyngka klem de kentup ya ka borrowing kabalong hajar ndrus pa lai klur Tyngka bat la kemilenti ba ke jing yo ke receipt kanlong khat nreu hajar nrupu fra klur Tyngka. Ha kabedai bagajing Pynlut pensep la antat bagajing Pynlut barok kan kot syaka khat prahajar praspa prapue klur Tyngka kata leng ba ke revenue expenditure la antat ba kan long khat san hajar lai spa anyo pun reu klur Tyngka bat ka capital expenditure lai hajar san spa san klur Tyngka. Klem de kentup ke Jingsiew ya karam kabalong kendai spa anrup sa klur Tyngka bat gajing Pynlut barok kan kot syaka khat nyo hajar kendai spa kan nyo klur Tyngka. Jingsiew kesut jongkaram na kebenta kesenam arhajar arpuar arhajar arpulai la antat bakan long syahajar sispa shipho klur Tyngka bat Jingsiew ke baibam Tymmen kan long syahajar sauspa andrup kendai klur Tyngka. Menteri Rangba ulong ru bahakan ke Mang Tyngka ke bementa kesenam ke sorkar ke lamang syahajar lai spa saupun reu klur Tyngka ha ke youth budget bat arhajar sauspa kendai pusau klur Tyngka ha ke gender budget.
In this entire budget presentation, we have also this year presented a youth budget, a gender budget, and a SDG budget. Basically, what it does is it combines all the different programs that are going on in different departments, but related to these particular groups. So therefore, multiple programs may be going on, but when you add up all of that together, we will be able to get you the youth budget, the gender budget, and the SDG budget. We will be having a large number of new roads as announced in the budget. The number one will be the Jowai Nartyang Kadiap Kanduli Road. Number two is the Chokpot Sibari Road. Number three is the Mauplang Masungram Road. Number five is the Umulong Tirshang Bamkamar Road. Next is the Anogri Raksamgri Road. Then next is Umlinka Laume Road. And next is Rongringri Samsangri Ninkra Road. We will be having new water supply schemes this year, which is the Mokurwat Water Supply Scheme, Tura, Shangpung, Umlinka, and Peninsula Water Supply Scheme. We will be also initiating the administrative units of mini secretariats in Tura, Jowai, and Peninsula. We will also be all the districts which are functioning without proper SP or DC offices. New administrative setups and buildings will come up in these blocks, these districts which do not have, DC offices and SP offices. At the same time, we have also sanctioned 120 crores for construction of new block infrastructure in 40 blocks of the state. We have also announced the second phase of the Shillong Tech Park. We're also announcing the new programs of Ginger Mission, Spice Mission, Herbs Mission, Goturi Mission, and Poultry Mission. There's a large project of amounting to 1,200 crores plus for eco-restoration and tourism development at Sora. This project also has already been approved, and we expect this to start in the next financial year, and it will be going on for the next 5 years. Also, some innovative programs that we're coming up with this year is that we will be having the film policy. We strongly feel that we have a lot of filmmakers within our state, and there has never been a policy to look at how to promote them and support them. So we will be working out in the policy to support these very talented filmmakers of our state. You see, the entire nature of being a smaller state has its limitations, and there are limited scope for tax and non-tax revenues in our state. If you were to compare the budget of other northeastern states, you will see that they are even far lower in terms of the state resources of theirs. If you look at states like Manipur and states like Nagaland, they don't have revenue from excise, they don't have revenue from mining, non-tax revenue. So they face a lot of challenges. But you have to remember that when we say the share of central taxes, this is a constitutional provision that is mandated and is meant for Meghalaya. Though the name says share of central taxes, but it is Meghalaya's revenue. So one cannot, because the Finance Commission, mandates that this has to be given to Meghalaya. So therefore, technically the word is central taxes because this is a share of the direct taxes collected by the central government, which includes corporate tax, income tax. But that share is divided by the Finance Commission, and that is our constitutional right. So yes, you're right that our own state taxes will take time to come up. But technically speaking, we have to see the state share of central taxes, the state's own resources, and non-tax revenue as the total tax revenue of the state. And that is what the number is. But you're right, we have continuously made efforts to ensure that we started getting more revenue from departments like excise, try to get more revenue from mining and forest, non-tax revenues. And this effort is on continuously, and we have seen growth in it. Transportation, we have seen growth. I don't have the exact figures with me, but we are seeing growth in it. But obviously, these are not things that can change overnight.